everyone, I'm Nityashri. Today, I'm going to share about various types of competency models. Before that, let me give you a gist about meaning of competency model, difference between knowledge, skills, and abilities. So, to start with, competency is the capability to use set of related knowledge, skills, and ability to successfully perform a work or a task. In other words, individuals should have the capability to apply the relevant knowledge, skills, and abilities to perform a work in a defined work setting. Now, let me explain this with you a small example. Knowledge is the theoretical and practical understanding of a subject. For example, if a person understands the meaning of driving a car, he is said to have a knowledge. Next comes the skills. So the skills are the proficiencies which is developed through training or experience. For the same case, if the individual is shown how to drive a car and allowed to practice with the trainer in a non-traffic areas, he is learning the skills. So now let me come to abilities. So abilities are the qualities of being able to do something. If the same person is able to drive a car in a traffic areas, it is ability. So from this example, we can understand competency model is a guideline that sets out specific skills, knowledge, and behavioral requirements that enable the employee to perform their job successfully. Types of competency models. There are various types of competency models. Now, I'll explain you about few models. First is organizational core competency model. Basically, all organizations will have a baseline skill set that every employee should have. In other words, these all are essential skills. For example, communication skills. Foundational communicational skills are important for all the employee in an organization. Next one is functional competency model. The skills within a functional competency model might be needed within a specific department of a company. It is often technical. For example, competency for an accountant may be the ability to analyze the financial data, whereas the competency of a waiter may be the ability to effectively handle the customers. Next is job competency model. This model includes skill sets that are specifically needed within a job or a role. Job competencies of one person within a department may vary from another person within the same department. For example, the work of an L&D professional may vary from the person who look after the payroll. The leadership competency model is the next competency model. So this model says some competencies are essential for leadership positions. There are decision making, coaching, mentoring. So these are the essential skills that all the leaders should have. So next one is custom competency model. From the name itself, we can understand that it is a customized or tailor-made model. When it comes to customized competency model, it is important that competency models should have aligned towards the organizational goals and core competencies. Next model is iceberg model. If you take an iceberg, it will have its 1/9 of the surface above the sea and remaining beneath the surface of the sea. So similarly, a competency has some components visible and other components hidden. Example, visible components are knowledge and skills. Hidden components are values, self-image, traits, and motives. Before the final note, let me run through the key learnings of this video. Organizational core competency model. These are the baseline skill set of an organization. Functional competency model, it is often technical. Job competency model. Competencies of one person within a department may vary from another person within a same department. Leadership competency model. Some competencies are essential for leadership positions. Custom competency model. It is customized or tailor-made. Iceberg model. It has some components visible and other components hidden. So now, let me thank Mr. R.M. Chidambaram for giving me this opportunity, and please do check all the referred articles in the description box. Thank you and have a good day.